Here we go. SQL. We're going to do an inner join. We're doing it off of this stuff right here, and you can get to these notes right here. And now we're going to do an inner join. Here are the tables with data. We've created those from all of this. Pause the video if you need to type that in. We're using Postgres. Bam! Let's do it. Do. So I'm going to do select. And I want recipe type. I'm going to do it left to right. Control C, Control K. Select recipe class description. Recipe title from recipe classes, working left to right. Recipe classes, inner join, recipes. I could have also just done join, right? Let's do inner join just for fun. Recipes on recipe classes dot recipe class ID is equal to recipes dot recipe class ID. Any mistakes? Okay. Now, I'm going to do, I guess that's inner join. That's inner join, people. And one last thing we'll do is we'll take out inner. Also works, just join. Cool. Inner join, that's inner join. Bam.